Hello guys and welcome to part 2 of Halo Blood on Halo 4. We are trying to take down Matthew and Declan, so we have to bash them. Sorry guys, I had to stop the video so early last time because I had to take an important phone. I had to take an important phone call from my father. That's important. So guys, yeah, I'm sorry. He killed Bill Monster. We must repent. Kill all people. You're doing another match. They'll stop complaining then. Come on. So I see him right down there. He's right there. He's right down there. No, I didn't. Ah, crap. What? Oh no! Ow! Declan's awesome! Where's he gone? I lost him, man. So guys, yeah, that was part 2. This is part 2, but we need to do some more. And more. Let's get this party in here. Let's get this party in here. Let's do this. Boston! Quickly! Oh my god, there's blood on the floor now. I got shotgun. Get up here, man. Dale, it's me and you now. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! I think I'm gonna do a couple more minutes now, and then I'm gonna end this video. Cause the last time thing. Let's do this thing. Thomas, I see him. Thomas, let's go rapid. What you say? Oh no! Oh guys, sorry about that, it's just my timer. Don't worry about that. I am going overtime. Like a bad boy. Yes! Yes, I killed them! I killed Declan, man. Oh no, it's Declan's way. I killed Dale. So guys, I think I'll go up to 6 minutes and then I'll upload it. So yeah, guys. You haven't been asking me what games I should do. I've been waiting on that, but you didn't. So I'm just doing this for you on Swill. I'm just doing random things with my friends, with Thomas, Declan, Dale, and Matthew, who got his own YouTube channels, as I said. Quickly run! Run! No! No! Tom! Oh. Oh. Oh my God! I died! Protecting my country! I died! Guys, as you can see, that was awesome. Some awesome laugh like this with your friends. I would recommend doing it with your friends because it's awesome! Let's do this thing. Da-na-na-na. Right there, right there. I lost with dealers. We'll try it. I suppose you'd be off deck. No, I didn't. I killed them, what's it, Mark? They were Mark who killed me, Ed. Huh? I can't hear you, Mark. So guys, yeah, this is the end for this video. Goodbye.